Hello everyone and welcome to the Crestron Technical Institute. In this video, learn about the Crestron USB Offline, which is a USB dongle that provides a means for validating Crestron Virtual Control Room licenses offline without requiring an XIO Cloud Service account. The USB Offline is compatible with the VC-4 PC3 microcomputer or a standalone VC-4 server. For offline licensing via the USB Offline dongle, the USB Offline dongle must be connected to the VC-4 server at all times to validate its licenses. Please note that you cannot mix offline and online modes, nor can you convert online virtual control licenses to offline. If you already have VC-4 room licenses, you will need to remove them using XIO Cloud before enabling offline licensing mode. Ensure the VC-4 server or VC-4 PC3 is online with XIO Cloud before removing any existing licenses. All room licenses must be ordered and the offline licensing form must be completed before validating licenses via the USB Offline dongle. For more information, refer to the Crestron Virtual Control Product Manual. Note that the process in activating offline licensing mode is similar, whether you're using VC-4 PC3 or VC-4 standalone. Connect the USB Offline dongle into an available USB port on the VC-4 PC3 or make it available on the host running VC-4. We will use a VC-4 PC3 in this example and navigate to the web UI to access the terminal. To locate a VC-4 PC3 on the network, you can use Crestron Toolbox Device Discovery. Here, we can see the current IP address of the device. Note that the minimum firmware version required to utilize the USB Offline is listed on the product page. Next, we will navigate to the appropriate URL and port and enter our credentials. We will need to run a script using a command to activate offline licensing mode. To run the script, we will use terminal. If you are using virtual control not running on a PC3, you will first need to change the directory to the following. Virtual Control Home is the home directory set during installation. Depending on what you are using, run the appropriate command. Once we run the script, we will need to change the mode by entering the following command. Next, we will exit the utility and restart the virtual control service. Run the following commands. Once the offline license mode has been configured, a license key must be requested that allows the Crestron Virtual Control installation to validate its licenses offline. Offline license keys are tied to a specific VC-4 system key and number of room licenses. If room licenses need to be added to a Crestron Virtual Control installation, a new offline license key must be requested. Run the license script again and record the values listed for the system key by running the following command. Next, we will navigate to the offline license request form, fill in the rest of the information on the request form, and submit it. Crestron will send an offline license key via email once the request has been processed. The offline license key must then be applied to the Crestron Virtual Control installation. To apply the offline license key, we will run the license utility script again. Then, use the add license command followed by the license. Next, enter the exit command and then restart the virtual control service as shown earlier in this video. Now, if we navigate to the web UI of virtual control and select licenses, we can see that we now have 10 room licenses available. You can now use these 10 room licenses for up to 10 programs. We have now successfully configured Crestron Virtual Control or offline licensing. Thank you for watching.